Hey friends, if you wish to try Windows 11 without installing it on your PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's a website which you can use. It's named win11.blueedge.me. Okay, we will open it on our browser and hit enter. It's actually an excellent concept. Now, here the lock screen, we'll click on it and select sign in. Okay, and we get this message here, so we'll have to wait for 5 seconds, and after that we can use Windows 11 online. So it is basically a kind of an emulator, but we can use it, we can do a lot of things on it. Okay, I can also try to open a lot of options. Wait, let me show you again. Okay, so we can just use it as an emulator, not all the options, but we can use it as an emulator to check the options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.